Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdiva29. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today because I received more Happy Mail. Yay for Happy Mail. This Happy Mail is from Robin, who is Turtle Creations for You here on YouTube. And I'll definitely link her YouTube channel and her Instagram account down below so you guys can show her some love. She is a very talented YouTuber and she makes amazing creations and I'm always inspired by her, so definitely show her some love. But she did send me a message, I guess maybe about a week ago, saying that she had watched the video that Armin, or my happy birthday mail from Armin, who's Happy Mail Queen. She had sent me a birthday card, and it was a mermaid themed birthday card that she had created. And in that video, I had said that I never did pick up that mermaid die that she used in that particular card, and I wish I would have picked that die up. And so sweet Robin said, hey, I picked up that die and I heard that you said that you never picked it up and I would like to send it to you. So I was like, oh my gosh, yes, thank you so much. That was one die that I regretted not purchasing. So thank you so much. So I just took her her everything out of the package that she sent, and this is the card, and it's so pretty. It says believe, and this is just the front of the envelope. I love how you decorated the front of the envelope, and she's got a pretty little heart right there. So I'm just going to go ahead and open this up and take out the card. Oh, it's so cute. It says Merry Christmas, and she used the sugar cookie die that's new this year. I haven't even had a chance to play with mine yet, but I absolutely love your card, and look how shimmery it is. I love it. Oh my gosh, so cute. Thank you so much, Robin. I'm just going to take a second and read it. It says, hi Erica, I'm so happy I had this set to share with you. Your work is always beautiful. I am looking forward to seeing what you do with it. I hope you and your family have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Hugs, Robin Baker, and her YouTube is Turtle Creations for You. And again, I will link the channel information down below so you guys definitely show her some love. But here is the die and embossing set that she is gifting me, and I am so thankful for her sending this to me. Robin, I truly appreciate you doing this. It means a lot. Big heart hugs to you, and wishing you and your family a Merry Christmas. Please feel free to leave a comment. Thank you for watching. Show Robin some love, and check out her YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.